Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aqsa Zafar, and today I will be walking you through how to learn computer vision step by step. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now let's dive right into it. So, before we get into the actual steps, let's quickly talk about why computer vision is such an exciting field. The global computer vision market was worth about $20.31 billion in 2023, and it's expected to grow to $25.41 billion in 2024. By 2032, it could reach a huge $175.72 billion, growing at a fast rate of 27.3% each year. In 2023, North America led the way, holding nearly 31% of the market. That's some serious growth, right? So there is never been a better time to learn this skill. All right, moving on. To become a computer vision expert, you will need to build up a few key skills. And don't worry, I will guide you through each one. So you will need the following skills: basic math skills, some programming knowledge, the OpenCV library, deep learning tools, and understanding of CNNs and RNNs. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get started. Let's start with the basics. First step is learn math. You don't have to be a math genius, but a good understanding of basic math helps in understanding computer vision algorithms. Math is what makes everything work behind the scenes. Some key areas to focus on are probability and statistics, linear algebra, and calculus. These are the foundations for most algorithms in computer vision. Now, if you are thinking, wait, where do I even learn all this? So don't worry, I have got you covered with some great resources. You can check out Udacity's Intro to Statistics, Khan Academy for both stats and calculus, or the textbook Practical Statistics for Data Scientists. There are also plenty of YouTube videos like Statistics for Data Science that break it down for you. I have put all the links in the description below. Next up, let's talk about programming. The two most popular languages for computer vision are Python and R. But if you are just starting out, I would highly recommend learning Python. It's a beginner friendly, super versatile, and widely used in the AI world. Some free resources to get started with Python are CS Dojo on YouTube for fun and easy tutorials, Python for Data Science on Udemy, and Corey Schaeffer on YouTube for more in depth learning. I have put all the links in the description below. And if you want to learn R programming, Coursera and Udemy have some great free courses too. Now let's move on to key tool for computer vision, OpenCV. This open source library is like the bread and butter of computer vision. OpenCV allows you to manipulate images and videos, and it's available in multiple programming languages. To get a solid grip on OpenCV, you can try the Udemy course, Python for Computer Vision with OpenCV and Deep Learning. Check out the official OpenCV tutorials or watch Learn OpenCV in 3 hours with Python on YouTube. These will give you the hands-on experience you need. I have put all the links in the description below. Let's keep it going with the next step. Once you are comfortable with OpenCV, it's time to learn deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. These frameworks are essential for building deep learning models that power image recognition, object detection, and more. To get started, you can check out Udacity's Intro to TensorFlow for Deep Learning or Coursera's Introduction to Deep Learning and Neural Networks with Keras. There is also the PyTorch Deep Learning and AI course on Udemy, which is a must try. I have put all the links in the description below. Now, here is where it gets really interesting: convolutional neural networks, also known as CNNs. Convolutional neural networks are what most computer vision algorithms are built on. CNNs helps machines understand images by identifying patterns. To learn CNNs, you can check out deeplearning.ai's Convolutional Neural Networks course or Coursera's Advanced Computer Vision with TensorFlow. Udacity's Become a Computer Vision Expert is another excellent resource for building your CNN models. I have put all the links in the description below. After CNNs, let's talk about another important concept, which is recurrent neural network, also known as RNNs. Recurrent neural networks are great for understanding sequences like videos or time series data. You can start learning RNNs by checking out Coursera's Fundamentals of CNNs and RNNs. And there are also tons of YouTube tutorials that covers the basics of RNNs. I have put all the links in the description below. Now that you have learned all the skills, what's next? It's time to apply them by working on projects. Projects will sharpen your skills and make your resume stand out. These are some beginner level project ideas you can try. People counting tools, color detection, object tracking in videos, or road lane detection. Pick one and get started. The more you practice, the better you will get. Congratulations on taking your first step towards mastering computer vision. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.